Today we are finally going to do a full proper tour of the 1989 L300 Delica Chamonix. First, let's talk about some of the key features of the van. We've got locking hubs, which means you can go from two-wheel drive to four-wheel drive. And it's got a limited slip differential, which is good for off-roading. This is an all-terrain 2 tire, which means it's nice and beefy. She's a diesel, and if you don't believe me, just listen to her start up. Did I mention she's a turbo? Also has a backup camera, sorta. Backup mirror. Same idea though. We've got a full camp stove setup. The seats can face frontwards or backwards. That's pretty sweet. The seats also lay back to make a semi-comfortable sleeping area. There's supposed to be a third seat here that we removed, but we're gonna put back in, and it completes the whole bed situation. Got a full set of curtains to keep out the looky-loos. Rear seat temperature control, so the kids can control their air. Custom door panel, because the previous owner broke the previous one. Solid birchwood, original screws and holes. A 4-speaker system. Obviously it's right-hand drive because it's from Japan. Stick shift, 2 high, 4 low for the off-roading enthusiast. Custom built cup holder, an altimeter, and a yaw and pitch calculator that does not work because we hit one too many bumps and the ball broke loose. Radio with USB plug-in, 6 presets, and a CD-ROM player. Heated seats, I'm just kidding, there's not heated seats. Fog lights, a clock, glove box, rear view mirror, light, power windows, no hands. 1989. Can you believe it? And of course, the pop top. All right, that's some of the key features. Now I'll just do kind of a proper walk around so you can get a feel for what it feels like to walk around it and look at it, kick its tires. All right, got the AT2 tires, locking hubs, makes a 4-wheel drive, limited slip differential. The Chamonix is their snow edition. Comes with a waterproof carpet and an extra battery in the engine compartment. Got a slight tear on this seat, and there's the third seat that goes in here that folds up like this. I'll add a picture of it. Cup holders in the back. This seat slides back for more legroom. A little shelf where the battery goes. And up here is the pop top. It's got a window. Let me show you right now. Got your window for fresh air, and then your legs go back that way. To latch it, I've added a strap here. This pulls tight, pulls it down, and then this also latches right here. So there's 4 points of contact in here. One more on that side, and then this strap on that side. Back opens up. Got your camper stove. Room for a small cooler, water jug. This is the passenger seat. Got plenty of room. Stick shift. And then under here is the engine. Let me open that up. So the whole passenger seat flips up, and that's how you access your engine. Got your 2 batteries here, your oil check and stick right here, your engine, all the other good stuff going on in there. Alright, here's the driver's seat. Lock, unlock. That works for the sliding door and the very back door. These 2 front doors are manual. Got your rear fan control, fog lights, defrosters, and then this here is, oh, I don't know if you can see it. That is an exhaust temperature gauge. That tells you how hot your engine is. You want to keep it below 1200. We've got kilometers per hour, so there's a little bit of math you need to do while driving in the States. Stick shift, e-brake, the gas latch is back here. Some handles for hanging on when you're off-roading it. And I think that's about it. Alrighty, if I missed anything or if you have any questions, feel free to ask. I'll try to answer anything I can. This Delica, we are going to sell it, and I can talk more about that later, but I'll put a link to where you can look at the auction. I'm selling it on bringatrailer.com, so you can bid on it if you want it, or you can just watch the action and see what it goes for if you're curious. And I think that's all. Peace.